guys, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? We are going to be talking about hair today. Not this hair. It's really cute, right? But this is not the hair. That's for another video. Also, if you're interested in my makeup, that's a whole nother video as well. So, I was sent this hair from Amazon, Nadula hair. It got here super fast. And it came in a poly, yellow envelope. And then the box is right here. And this is what it looks like. It is black. It says Nadula, natural, durable, luxurious. That's what it says. Now I opened this box to make sure it wasn't empty, but I didn't go through it, so I really don't know what's in here, but we're gonna figure it out together. I know it's hair. I saw hair and closed it back so we can do this together. So here we are. On the back of the box, they have FAQs about the hair, hair tips, how to wash it, how to rinse it, how to condition it, how to make the hair last longer. If you want information on that, just read this, okay? I'm not gonna read that because I pretty much got the gist of it. So inside this box is supposed to be a headband wig that is curly and 20 inches. So fingers crossed that's what we got. Here, inside the box, we're gonna open this. Oh. This says Nadula right there too, okay? What we got here? We got a wig cap. We need that. I use these, so thank you. Okay, we got a headband here. A multicolored headband. Thank you, I appreciate it. We have the wig. Here's the wig. All right. Comes in this plastic bag here. I love these because storage purposes. Oh, it's another headband in here. Oh, okay. So we got kind of like the same style of headband. So we got two headbands. Thank you, thank you. All right, so the wig is in this net here. I'm gonna take that off. All right, she's stuck on me. Okay. Inside the wig, we have the paper. And then the wig has an actual headband sewn onto it. And then it has combs inside. One here at the top. Two smaller combs on the side. And one smaller comb in the inside, in the back of the wig. I hope you guys could see that. So we got 3 combs in the front. So 2 small ones on the side, 1 big one here. And then 1 small one in the back. And then you also have adjustable straps that you can hook on the actual headband. There is Velcro on the ends of this. So this is 20 inches. She's like this nice 1B brownish color. The curls look really pretty, but I'll get closer so you guys can see. This is the Brazilian Jerry curl. The curls are super pretty, super soft. I'm not gonna put any color onto it because she's pretty dark. I do see brown in there, but it's not crazy. I got this wig to throw on. I'm going to wash it and wear it a couple of days, and I'll come back and let you know how I style it, what products work best for it. I'm gonna give you all the details. I'm gonna give you all the details. Right? So yeah. That's that. I'm gonna put all the links down below in the description bar. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe so you guys can get the follow-up video on this wig. Okay? And I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.